guys, it's time to fertilize our plants, and I'm going to use this Dramm siphon jet to go ahead and fertilize everything. So let's get everything connected and let me show you what it looks like. Now you're going to connect your siphon jet to your faucet, and your water hose is actually going to connect to your siphon jet. Now, if it gets clogged up at any point or you actually have water coming out of the clear line, you need to go ahead and actually clear the line and start all over again. Now, once I go ahead and take my Peters and I dilute it with some water, it's still considered concentrated. So the siphon jet is actually going to go ahead and dilute it again so that I don't over-fertilize my plants. So as my bucket is filling up, I want to go ahead and actually show you what this looks like when you put this siphon jet into the bucket. You'll see that the blue solution will get sucked up into the clear line, and that little metal end of the tubing is actually going to not allow any debris or anything to get caught in your line. Okay, so everything's ready for me to go ahead and fertilize. However, I do want to show you that I am using a small breaker head at the end of my Dramm line, and I'm also using a quick release shutoff valve. This just makes it so much easier for me to go ahead and turn on and off my water hose.